National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 2:15 a.m. At 12:40 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Goodings Grove or over Homer Glen, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Blue Island, Alsip, Lamont, Middle Oakview.
Holy fucking shit. That lightning just made my radio go out mid-alert.
Interstate 94 between mile
What the fuck?
67. Interstate 290 between mile markers 27 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 49 and 67. This includes Lincoln Park Zoo, Toyota Park, University of Chicago, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Hawthorne Park, Moraine Valley Community College, Soldier Field, University of Illinois Chicago, a Cellular Field, Illinois Institute of Technology, the Loop, Museum of Science and Industry, Museum